Hello and welcome back to Let's Code Python. Yeah, the last one was pretty short-lived because it was an easy task. So yeah, here we try another Codewars challenge. And yeah, let's click on train. I just heard missing letters and yeah, let's read the instruction. Find the missing letter. Write a method that takes an array of consecutive increasing letters as input and that returns the missing letter in the array. You will always get an valid array and it will always be exactly one letter missing. The length of the array will always be at least 2. The array will always contain letters in only one case. Example A, B, C, D, E. No. A, B, C, D, F. Of course, E is missing. O, Q, R, S, T. P is missing. Use the English alphabet with 26 letters. Have fun coding it, and please don't forget to vote and rank this kata. I've also created other katas, or katas, I don't know how you spell it. Take a look if you enjoyed this kata. Haha. Okay, let's try. And I am thinking, how can you do something with binary operators like, yeah. Okay, I have an idea after, thinking a little bit about 2 minutes. And yeah, what about using this method here? Because this, for example, gives you, turns an value into an ASCII, and this one turns a string into an ASCII integer. Yeah, and let's work with that, with these two ones. Okay, let's try something. Let's first iterate through our array. C for C and chars. And yeah. I have an idea. C for E in enumerate chars. And yes. Let me just try something. Return C. Is it an invalid syntax? Yes, it is. Okay. Return chars 0 while. Okay, we don't do this in a one-liner. Let's skip the one-liner. For CE in enumerate chars. Oh no, in this direction. If C equals doesn't equal for null, order of for null plus E Then we use this method here, doing an if condition, return this mess. Okay. Let me think. But he's at least returning chars. That's good. Okay, what did I do wrong? I'm so stupid. It's chars 0 test. It's still wrong. Okay. But yeah, the function should be right. Yes. I have to do it for both chars. Chars test. Here we go, and attempt. Great, this was not that hard. Can we do it in one line? No, we can't. Is there any possibility to make a one-liner out of it? Let's try C for C and enumerate chars. Now like this. If doesn't equal C, turn, and yeah, 0, test. Yeah, this also works. Of course it does. Perfect, and we got a one-liner again. Equals lambda chars with a colon, test, test, attempt, submit. Yeah, we are finished. And yeah, people did nearly the same than I, but yeah, with other loops. But I guess I'm the only one doing a one-liner. Not efficient code, by the way, so you shouldn't always do one-liners, but it's kind of a challenge I give to myself, doing one-liners. And yeah, with that in mind, I'm finished for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye. See you.